Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Are you good? Aha! Today we are going to use this book, The Bridge. Okay? And we are going to work on page 6. So let's go. Let's see what you have to do. Okay? This is the book and the page is number 6. As we can see, under the tree, there is a teacher who's telling a story. He has a book. Let's color it blue. Okay? So the teacher has a blue book. In front of the teacher, there are some boys and girls who are listening to the story. The boys are wearing green t-shirt. The girls are wearing orange t-shirt. Okay? There is another one who's playing the guitar. This boy has a yellow guitar. Okay? So the book is blue. The girls are wearing orange t-shirt and the boys are wearing green t-shirt. This boy is playing a yellow guitar. Okay? There is a girl who is painting under the tree. She has black hair. Okay? She has black hair. There is another boy who's riding a bike. He's wearing a helmet. Let's color his helmet purple. Okay? He's wearing a purple helmet. There is a house in front of the mountains that is brown. Okay? You have to color the house brown. Now, let's review all the colors you have to use. The teacher with the book has a blue book, okay? The girls are wearing orange t-shirts. The boys are wearing green t-shirts. The guitar is yellow. The girl who is painting has black hair. The boy who's riding a bike is wearing a purple helmet. And finally, the house in front of the mountains is brown. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye bye bye. I hope you enjoyed. See you.